we see all the India bloc members who are now arriving, trickling into the national capital, Delhi, where this big meeting is due to happen this evening. The NDA is happening at 4 p.m., India bloc to be meeting at 6 p.m. While the India bloc members arrive, media, of course, in a huddle, trying to get answers on what could be their next plan of action. And here is Tejaswi Yadav, while speaking to the media, has given out a message saying, wait and watch to see what happens next. A real message that's left the media confused. Tejaswi travels alongside Nitish to Delhi. At first, that video, if we could play out that video of Nitish Kumar and Tejaswi Yadav sitting on the plane together, you see that video very clearly. That video shows Nitish Kumar seated in front of Tejaswi Yadav. Tejaswi is sitting behind and Nitish is sitting front. But in moments later, we see an image that now emerges where Tejaswi Yadav has made his way to the front seat and all through the journey has managed to sit right next to Nitish Kumar. The very interesting image that we're showing to you here in our exclusive pic loop. There you have it. Now, the man who was seated at the back seat first, Tejaswi Yadav, makes his way to the front, is sitting right next to Nitish Kumar. Possibly may have had a conversation with him. There is a reaction of Tejaswi Yadav as well, where he says he indeed greeted Nitish Kumar and they had a chat, but wait and watch what happens next. Listen in.
देश का मिजाज जो है मोदी जी के खिलाफ रहा है और हमें खुशी है देश के लोगों ने संविधान को बचाने के लिए मत किया और जो तानाशाही रही है मोदी जी उनको सबक सिखाया गया। देखिए इस देश में देश के लोगों का जो मिजाज है वो नफरत की राजनीति पसंद नहीं करता, वो बेकार की बातें सुनना नहीं चाहता है, काम की मुद्दे की बात सुनना चाहता है। 10 साल में मोदी जी ने कोई हिसाब नहीं दिया तो जनता ने उनको सबक सिखाया। तो हम लोग सब लोग आज बैठक में यहाँ आए हैं। 6 बजे हम लोगों की बैठक है और देखते हैं बैठक में क्या सभी लोगों का राय बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे आप लोग, क्योंकि क्लियर मेजॉरिटी कोई बात बोली नहीं। अभी हमको लगता है थोड़ा धैर्य रखिए, अभी देखते जाइए क्या क्या होता है।
सीएम के साथ आए, कोई बातचीत हो या कुछ
बात भी सब बात लोगों की नमस्कार प्रणाम दुआ हुई और क्या, लेकिन बाकी क्या होता है आगे आगे देखते रहिए।
All right, let me cut across to Ashutosh Mishra joining us on the phone line. Ashutosh, Tejaswi Yadav saying wait and watch, see what happens next. Nitish Kumar, who was seated in the front seat on a plane that they happened to board from Bihar to Delhi all the way. You see that Tejaswi Yadav was seated in the back seat and moments later, Tejaswi has made his way to the front seat and sits right next to Nitish Kumar. He also acknowledges to the media that he did have a word with Nitish. Now, what is that conversation? We have no idea. But he's really left our minds wondering when he says things like, wait and watch, see what happens next. Give us more.
Well, easy to assume that, two politicians sitting in a flight, in a public craft. So that's nearly impossible to have some dialogues like whether Chacha ji will be NDA with the NDA or is going with the India alliance. So clearly on that, it's very unlikely. However, political gesture is very obvious. Both have been together in a cabinet. Nitish Kumar as the chief minister, Tejaswi as a deputy chief minister, and now even the leader of opposition. This could be a political gesture, sitting together and asking about his health. Nitish Kumar has been quite unwell during the campaign. But more than that, in a public, charter, which looks like very next to impossible, in fact, to have such kind of dialogues on the coalition. Rather, there are politicians, there are leaders, including Lalu Yadav, who could have made them a direct call in that, if at all there is a strategy to bring Nitish in the India's India bloc. And clearly, some strategy is being made where Tejaswi Yadav said, wait and watch. This is not only said by him. The similar stand was taken by Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and all other leaders from the India bloc, that wait and watch. And reason, because there will be deliberation, and the deliberation whether India bloc should choose the mandate and sit in opposition bench, or should they make any attempt to form a government, because clearly they lack the number, and at the moment India, the NK bloc has the majority mark. But there is only apprehension is about the soaring and sweet relationship between Chandrababu Naidu and the BJP, Nitish Kumar and the BJP in the past, that gives some apprehension whether there going to be, some change in the alliance structure, because clearly having one party
and we know,
different.
we've heard, right after this historic win for Chandrababu Naidu in Andhra Pradesh, there's been several reactions of him doing the rounds where he just in 2014, 2019 again reiterated that there is no question of going into an alliance with the BJP, etc., that he would ally with anyone except for Prime Minister Modi, anyone else could be a fitting Prime Minister. These are words of Chandrababu Naidu that's been recorded, played out in the media. So obviously apprehensions now being raised whether Chandrababu Naidu, one, will be loyal to the NDA relationship, and also Nitish Kumar. On many levels, Nitish Kumar is being mocked of being a Palturam, but the fact that he is now, at least for the last few months, stuck with the NDA, be it in Bihar, and also seemingly right now after the 2024 results, leaves a lot of speculations that if at all both these players, Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, will really remain loyal to the NDA leadership. But this image here is very clear and very telling. Here you had Tejasvi Yadav, who was sitting in the back seat on a flight that takes about roughly 1.5 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes precisely from Patna to Delhi. Both of them in the same flight. Tejasvi Yadav was seated in the back seat, but very quickly makes his way to sit in the front seat alongside Nitish Kumar. A very, very telling image. Now, of course, Lisa is wondering what kind of conversations they may have had.